Hi students, now I am going to take 12th standard maths, 6th chapter applications of vector algebra, exercise number 6.6. So today we are going to discuss different forms of equation of a plane. First let us discuss the formulas, then we can try to solve the sums. The first one, R dot D cap equal to P. In this formula, D is the perpendicular unit normal. D is the perpendicular unit normal and P is the distance from the origin. So, if the perpendicular to the unit normal and distance from the origin is given, the equation of plane R dot D cap equal to P. This is the normal form of an equation of plane. The same thing, if it is Cartesian equation, this is for vector equation. Cartesian equation means Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0. In this equation, this L, M, N represent the direction cosines of the vector D. So, first two formulas are normal form. And the third one, R dot D vector equal to P into modulus of D. Here this D cap equal to what? D cap equal to D vector divided by modulus of D. So if you are replacing this D cap by D vector divided by modulus of D. Modulus of D we are taking to the other side. So P into modulus of D vector can be represented by another one constant Q. So if you are express R dot D vector equal to Q, this is the standard form of an equation of a plane. Normal form R dot D cap equal to P, standard form R dot D vector equal to Q, where Q is equal to P dot modulus of D vector. Then the next one is vector equation of a plane perpendicular to the vector and passing through one point. Perpendicular to the vector is represented by n vector. Passing through a point is represented by a vector. So, perpendicular to the vector and one point is given means R dot n equal to a dot n. Then the last one, equation of a plane in intercept form. Equation of a plane in intercept form is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Now let us, now in exercise 6.6, question number 4, a plane passes through a point minus 1, 1, 2 and normal to the plane of magnitude 3 root 3, make equal acute angles with the coordinate axis. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane means here you have to find out both vector and Cartesian form. So first we can assume alpha, beta and gamma be the angles made by the normal n vector with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x, y, z. So then the question itself it is given, the normal to the plane of magnitude 3 root 3 make equal acute angles. So all the three angles are equal. So alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. So if you are considering the cosine angle, cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. The same thing, if L, M, N are the direction ratios of the normal, then you can write L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma. Sum of the squares of the cosine must be equal to 1. So here instead of that we can write L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Since all these three values are equal, this can be written as 3L square equal to 1. From this we have to find out the value of L. So L square equal to 1 by 3. From L is equal to 1 by root 3. Since in the question it is given, it makes equal acute angle. So acute angle means we can consider only the positive value. So we are taking only L equal to 1 by root 3. If L equal to 1 by root 3, M, N are also equal to 1 by root 3. Then in the question it is given, the normal to the plane has magnitude 3 root 3. We want to find out the normal vector. So it has a magnitude 3 root 3. The normal vector can be formed n vector equal to the given magnitude into Li plus Mj plus Nk. Already we got Lmn. The direction ratios already we find out. So 3 root 3 into 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k. If you are multiplying with 3 root 3, we got n vector equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k. And a vector, since it is given, the given plane passes through a point. It passes through a point means a vector equal to minus I plus j. So one point and normal vector n vector is given. With these two values, now we have to find out the vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane. The vector equation of the plane is r dot n equal to a dot n. So r dot n vector equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k, which is equal to I plus j minus I plus j plus 2k dot 3i plus 3j plus 3k. That is r dot 3i plus 3j plus 3k equal to dot product of these two, minus 3 plus 3 plus 6. So the required vector equation is r dot 3i plus 3j plus 3k, which is equal to 6. Throughout, if you are dividing by 3, this also can be written as r dot I plus j plus k, which is equal to 2. This is the required vector equation. Now we have to find out the Cartesian equation of the plane. From the vector equation, directly we can derive. We know r vector equal to, r vector can be written as xi plus yj plus zk. So if you replace in the vector equation, r vector is xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus j plus k, which is equal to 2. When you are finding the dot product, x plus y plus z equal to 2. This is the required Cartesian equation of the plane. The first one, what we find out is vector equation of the plane. Like this, we can find out the vector and Cartesian equation of. Now question number 6 in exercise 6.6. If the plane meets the coordinate axis at the point A, B, C such that the centroid of a triangle ABC is the point U, V, W, we have to find out the equation of the plane. If the plane meets the coordinate axis at 3 points means it is a triangle. So we are getting 3 different points A, B, C. The coordinate of AB, A0, 0. The coordinate of B is 0, B, 0. Coordinate of C, 0, 0, C. So these 3. Let A of A0, 0, B of 0, B, 0 and C of 0, 0, C be the coordinate of a triangle. ABC. Since in the question it is given if the plane meets the coordinate axis. So here you have to find out the equation of plane in intercept form. Equation of plane in intercept form. Equation of plane intercept form. X by A plus Y by B plus Z by C is equal to 1. So if you are considering this three coordinates of a triangle, three vertices, the centroid of a triangle. We know the formula for centroid of a triangle. If x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3 are the three vertices, then we know the centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Second point, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Similarly, you can find out the third one. So here, three vertices are given like this means, first one, only A is here, other 2 points are 0. So the centroid of this triangle is A by 3, second point B by 3 and C by 3. In the question what is given? The centroid of the given triangle is the point UBW. So given centroid is UBW. The centroid what we find out from these 3 points is A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. These two values are equal. Therefore, A by 3 equal to U. Therefore, A is equal to 3U. B by 3 is equal to V. B is equal to 3V. C by 3 is equal to W. C is equal to 3W. So this A, B, C, if you are replacing in the first equation, the equation of plane in intercept form, x by 3u plus y by 3v plus z by 3w equal to 1. Since in the denominator this 3 is common for all the three terms, this can be written as x by u plus y by v plus z by w equal to, this 3 you can take to the other side, 3. Therefore, the required equation of a plane in intercept form is x by u plus y by v plus z by w. Thank you, children.